Politician turned broadcaster Mboiseni Ndlozi has announced his departure from Power 98.7, bringing to a close a year-long run as host of the station's flagship current affairs program, Power Talk. Ndlozi confirmed the news live on air on Tuesday, marking the end of a chapter that began on March 3, 2025, shortly after he stepped away from parliamentary duties. His exit does not come as a complete surprise. Earlier this month, during a light-heated off-air exchange with Panyaza Lesufi, Ndlozi jokingly remarked that radio was so much work, a comment that now appears telling. The station has moved swiftly to fill the vacancy, announcing that veteran journalist Mondlo Makanya will take over the 9 a.m. to noon slot from 2 March. In a statement, Power 98.7 thanked Ndlozi for bringing his voice to Power Talk and for choosing to continue contributing to national discourse from behind the microphone. After his time in Parliament, Shulimana Group Executive Chairman Given Mkari described Makanya's appointment as a strategic move aimed at strengthening the station's editorial depth. He said listeners can expect deeper insights, sharper interrogation, and power-packed analysis of the country's political, economic, and social landscape, and said Mondli brings authority, balance, and intellectual rigor, adding that his experience and credibility among decision-makers will enhance the quality of debate and storytelling on the platform. Makanya's resume spans some of the country's most influential newsrooms. He has served as editor-in-chief of the City Press, Mail and Garden, Sunday Times and Times Media Group, and previously chaired the South African National Editors Forum. Accepting the role, Makanya underscored the significance of talk radio at a time when public trust in media faces mounting pressure, and said Power Talk is a vital platform for national conversation. I'm excited to join Power 98.7 at a time when journalistic credibility is under strain and trusted information matters more than ever. I look forward to engaging listeners in rigorous, inclusive conversations grounded in facts, context, and accountability. The transition signals both and a recalibration for Power 98.7, closing the chapter on a formal firebrand position behind the mic and ushering in a seasoned newsroom heavyweight tasked with steering the national conversation through turbulent times. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.